In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add vendors the easy way in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're just getting started with QuickBooks or you're looking to streamline your accounting process, this simple task will ensure that your vendor list is up to date and organized, saving you both time and potential headaches in managing your finances. Let's get started by navigating to QuickBooks Online. Once you're logged in and on the main dashboard, direct your attention to the top left corner. You'll notice a button labeled New. Clicking on New is your entry point to adding a brand new vendor to your list. It's positioned strategically for easy access, so you can quickly kick off the process without much searching. After clicking New, a drop-down menu will appear. Here, you'll want to select the Add Vendor option. This selection is crucial as it opens up the template where you will be entering all vendor-related details. This step is designed to be user-friendly, so you can add vendor information with minimal hassle. Now, here's where it gets straightforward. You'll be presented with a form that asks for various details about the vendor you wish to add. Take your time to fill in all the necessary fields. While some information might be optional, such as a phone number or email, including as much data as possible can be beneficial for your records. You might expect to include the vendor's name, address, and contact information. This level of detail not only helps you maintain a reliable contact list, but also supports more accurate financial tracking and reporting. Once you've meticulously filled out the information, it's time to save your work. With one simple click of the Save button, your new vendor is added seamlessly into your QuickBooks Online system. This final step signifies the successful entry of your vendor's information, ensuring it's stored safely within your digital records. As you can see, this process is hassle-free and designed to optimize your time. Keeping an updated vendor list is vital for smooth business operations. It helps ensure that when you need to make payments or track orders, all the relevant details are at your fingertips. It can also enhance your relationship with vendors by allowing for smoother transactions and communication. Now, it's over to you. Next time you need to add a vendor, remember how straightforward this process is in QuickBooks Online. Regularly updating and maintaining your vendor list will contribute to an organized and efficient financial workflow. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out more of our QuickBooks tips and tutorials to keep you on top of your game. Happy bookkeeping!